like tea, I like coffee. Both these sentences are grammatically correct and they are communicating the idea of the speaker very well, right? Yet, when you will utter these two sentences, they will sound choppy, mechanical, and robotic. Now listen to this. I like coffee and tea. After merging, they are sounding smoother. The tiny word and has performed a big job. It connected two ideas and gave the sentence a natural flow. And is a coordinating conjunction that connects two phrases of equal grammatical importance. Hello learners, welcome back to English with Shormishta. Today we will be discussing about these little yet powerful words called conjunction. A coordinating conjunction is a word that joins words, phrases or clause of equal grammatical importance. Let's understand this by some examples. Rahul and Riya are friends. You can have tea or coffee. She was tired, but she continued working. In the first sentence, and joined two nouns. Both of these are subjects of the sentence. In the second sentence, or joined two nouns presenting a choice between the two objects. And in the third sentence, but joined two independent clauses. In our previous video, the introduction to conjunction, we have already discussed the uses of conjunction. So here we see conjunctions add information, show contrast, give choices, show reasons, and show conditions. Now, while discussing and or but, we have already found the first three uses of conjunction: and, adding information, or giving choice, and but, showing contrast. These are not the only one that belongs to the coordinating conjunction. There are actually 7 coordinating conjunctions. And to remember these 7 conjunctions, we use a trick, an acronym called FANBOYS. In FANBOYS, F stands for giving a reason, A stands for and, adds information, N stands for nor, presents negative alternatives, B stands for but, shows contrast, O stands for or, gives a choice, Y stands for yet, shows unexpected contrast, S stands for so, showing result or consequences. For explains a reason for something. Let's understand it with some examples. She stayed at home for it was raining heavily. I took an umbrella for the sky looked dark. In both these sentences, for is used to give reason of the action. For is more formal than because. It is not used in everyday conversation. For is used more in academic English. And adds to existing information or similar ideas, like she bought fruits and vegetables, or he opened the door and entered the house. In both these sentences, and is adding two similar ideas. Let's see another example. I finished my homework. I watched television. Both these are independent clause. Now if we will join it, it will become I finished my homework and watched television, and is joining two independent clause. Nor acts as the negative alternative. It simply means and not. Let's understand with some sentences. She does not eat meat, nor does she drink milk. If we break the sentence, we will get she does not eat meat, she does not drink milk. Let's see another sentence. He did not call me, he did not send a message. Both the sentences have not, did not in them. So if we want to join this sentence, we have to join it with the negative alternative, that is nor. He did not call me, nor did he send a message. Here we need to remember that when nor joins two independent clauses, the helping verb comes before the subject in the second clause. Like the above sentence, he did not call me, he did not send a message, which turns into he did not call me, nor did he send a message. But shows contrast. But means however, or more politely, yet. Let's see some examples. The food was delicious, but it was expensive. If we break this sentence, we will get the food was delicious, the food was expensive. Here I am showing two poles apart ideas. I like the food's taste, but I did not like the price. Similarly, the sentence he worked hard but he failed, or this book is old but it is useful, every time but focuses on the contrasting image of the sentence. Or shows choice. It simply gives you the option to choose between this or that. Notice its use in the following sentences. Stop, or I will shoot, or are you gonna help me, or what? In both these sentences, or is giving an alternative choice or option. Yet shows striking contrast. It is more or less works like a but it means nevertheless. Let's see this example. She is 90 years old, yet she runs every day. Here, an unexpected contrast is seen with the subject. She is aged, but she is active enough to run every day. Where but shows simple contrast, yet shows surprising contrasts. So shows result. It means therefore and shows the consequences. Like when I say she worked hard so she passed the examination, or he was late so he missed the train. In both the sentences, so shows the result of the action. So it is clearly seen that coordinating conjunctions join words, phrases and clause. The rule of using coordinating conjunction while joining two clause. When a coordinating conjunction joins two independent clause, a comma is placed before the conjunction. I want to go out, but it started raining. Or she studied hard and she passed the exam. The comma will be there before the conjunction because both the part of the sentence are independent clause which convey complete meaning. But no comma is needed to join words or phrase because they do not convey complete ideas like the clause. Now here is a challenge. Can you make one sentence each from the FANBOYS conjunction? Comment your answers in the comment box or write it in your notebook and see how many you have done right. I hope this video has cleared concept about coordinating conjunction. If you have any question, write it down in the comment box and I will be happy to answer them. In our next class, we will be discussing about subordinating conjunctions. Till then, keep learning.